Yo, what's up guys? What's up YouTube?
My name is Morgan. This is my daddy Ray, guys.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome again for another episode of our unboxing and quick review. We have a new addition to our collection before Christmas. Yes, and yeah, so of course our addition to our collection is the
Batman Tactical Batsuit version.
new Batman Justice League tactical version. Yes.
Hottoys.
Yes, of course, from Hottoys 1/6 scale collectibles, right? So let's go, let's start. Let's try to open. Yes. There you go, guys.
You can't save the world alone.
Yeah. So you can see this is the box of the Batman Tactical Batsuit exclusive special edition. Yeah. Meaning have some extra parts or extra accessories. The
No, the manual.
here.
So he has 2 pairs of hands and 1 extra. And he has 2 extra keys. And he has a gun, 3 batteries, and 3 of his like bats.
Let's show them.
And he has 3 of his bats. What's they called?
Batarang, yeah.
Batarang
So
and
it's a bomb.
like bombs and
Bombs from
like for his grappling hook.
yeah, for his this is the accessories, guys. You can see it here.
And he has the mother box.
Mother box. So inside
The mother box of the land.
so inside this box we can see this is the mother box, guys. It's a bit heavy. Wonder Woman also has that. So
He has 2
What's
eyes.
that?
He has 2 extra eyes.
Yeah.
2 extra feet. 2 extra mouth. He also has 2 extra glass. 2 extra glass. 2 extra glasses.
yeah,
Maybe that's
goggles.
goggles.
It's actually goggles.
Or jacket.
And yeah, the eyes is actually like, you know, have a different position of his eyes, like looking to the right and to the left. Let's show first the figure, of course. Yeah, I forgot. Of course, it's Batman. He has a cape, and you cannot just grab. You have to slowly slide that cape from the back. There you go, guys. Very, very nice. Huh?
I wonder how to change
Oh,
the
you have to
eyes.
remove it's very easy, but you have to remove the head better. Or actually not. Oh yeah, actually yeah, you have to remove
His eyes are sharp.
very sharp, right? Can kill a cockroach. Whoa, look at that.
Very bulky.
Yes.
Like the Black Hawk.
Yeah, like a black hawk. Look at that. Very nice, guys.
Very muscular. Ooh, you hear what his articulations are very are stiff. It resembles his bulky body.
Yeah, no, because you know, it's I think that's the new type of the Hottoys now. I mean, that's the new type of the body they're using for their figure. So you can be able to really like hold or you know
Like poses.
yeah, you can make different poses. And also yeah, we have the stand here, stand of Batman. Those 3 pairs of hands.
The iron.
Check if it's right. So that's the accessories, guys. Again here you can really see his weapon. yeah, I think that's all you can see, or that's all you can have.
That's all.
And then that's all, or
everything.
yeah, that's everything you can get. The accessories is nice. Yeah, actually, even if you didn't really like have those accessories, you can actually like. I mean, like for me, I'm already happy with the figure. You know, it's
Yeah.
really nice.
Yeah, the figure is really the main thing.
Yes. Accessories. Sometimes you won't use
Really
it.
need it.
Yeah, you won't need it, or you're not gonna use it. You know. That's that.
Not really.
Very quick review. The cape is very nice. It's very nice. The head sculpt. You can see the details of his face, the glass, his helmet. Armor. Mostly his armor is very nice. The details. Yeah. The grading, the texture. The articulations, you know, just like the old one, just like those first Batman figure, Ben Affleck. Uh,
The character inside.
Ben Affleck.
So this is.
Yeah, it's the same.
Wow.
Yeah, I think it's a little bit for me. It's like, yeah, it's very nice. Yeah, good job on that again, Hottoys. Yes.
Very nice.
Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah. So how about you, Marty? What can you say about this figure?
I like the texture and the head sculpt and the armor and how they made everything here.
Mm-hmm.
How they made the weapons, the mother box. I just really like everything they do. And the articulations.
The articulation. Okay, I'm looking for this part. This one.
Articulations. And here the clicks.
Yes. All right.
Yeah.
Very nice. You can see guys right there. You can see the figure. And then,
Yeah, the armor. You can see the like very bulky.
right. So I think that's it, guys. Just a very quick review and a very quick unboxing. Right, so what are you gonna say to them, Martin?
If you want to watch our next video, please subscribe down below and bye guys!
Bye guys, thank you for watching.
Peace
Peace
out.
out. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Yeah, thank you. Bye.